Hey human, I don't know why you are here. Maybe the algorithm pulled you, or you're just avoiding work. But let me tell you why I'm here. I'm here because recently I realized something. Life doesn't suddenly become yours just because you grow up. Okay, I might be wrong if you're super rich or a celebrity, but for a simple girl like me, nope. You work, you earn your own money, but somehow your life still feels like it belongs to many people. You know, when we were young, we were told study well and be independent. Then you can do whatever you want. So we do that. We study, we struggle, we build a career, and then one day we think, okay, now I can live on my own terms. That's when the reality says, nice joke. Suddenly there are rules. Rules nobody clearly explained before. You're independent, but only till your choices don't make others uncomfortable. You're free, but only inside invisible boundaries. You know, these boundaries are strange because you can't see them, but you feel them every day. And at some point, I started asking myself one simple question: who am I actually living for? Because many decisions are not about happiness anymore. They are about what will people say, how will it look to the society, and what might it affect, but not how it feels to live it. And the funny part, everyone says they want your happiness, but their happiness depends on your choices. Now, your life has too many stakeholders. Then you look at the people around you. Everybody wants love, but only if it's easy. Everybody wants commitment, but only with an exit option. Now, trust feels risky, staying feels scary, leaving feels normal. It's like everyone is protecting themselves and calling it being practical. Now, let's talk about the world outside because everything feels loud. Politics loud, news channels louder. Every week there is new bill, new protest, new problem, new outrage. Everyone is angry about something. But basic things like peace, mental calm and safety, these don't trend. Sometimes it feels like the country is constantly arguing and normal people are just trying to survive between headlines. After all this noise, you sit quietly and think, is life supposed to feel this stressful? Or did we just forget about what actually matters while fighting about everything else? And this is why I am here. Not to explain politics, not to give solutions, not to tell anyone what is right or wrong. This channel is about thoughts. The thoughts that come after scrolling news, after family conversations. Sometimes I'll be funny, sometimes sarcastic, and sometimes confused. And yes, there will be no gyan and no preaching. Just thinking out loud. If you feel like you're grown but still not fully free, you laugh a lot but think a lot too. You feel tired not only physically but mentally too. Then yeah, this space might make sense to you. So let's talk and question. You might think this is the part where I ask you to subscribe and follow. Am I here for that? Maybe or maybe not. And not everyone likes what I say here. That's fine. Life is not about universal approval. It never was.